Good morning, everyone. So in last class, we have learned about these resources, right? We have learned about the meaning of the resources, the different types of resources, how it benefits us, how it satisfies our everyday needs, isn't it? So by now, I think you might have some ideas about these resources, yes? So in today's class, we are going to learn about the Indian soil resources. That is, the soil resources which is in India. And under that, we are going to learn about the soil as our prime resources. So, I think we all know that this soil, it is the most valuable resources for us because we can obtain our need from it. And here it says that this soil, it is the loose cover of the earth, or it is the uppermost layer of the earth crust, okay? And this soil, it is the combination of both the organic and the inorganic matter. Remember that. And why this soil is known as our prime resource? Because it supports life on this earth surface, where most of our food or clothing it is derived from the soil. And it even supports these plants where it grows in it. This soil, it is not only support us human being, it even support animals, it support plants, as I have said earlier. That's why this soil is known as our prime resources. This soil, it also provides a large part of our building materials, right? And because of that, we can say that this soil, it is the most important resources for us. So now we will come to the factors for the formation of the soil. Soil are formed through the interaction of the 5 major factors, that is time, climate, parent materials, topography and relief, and organism. Here it says that this soil, it is differ in different region. Yes, we all know that this soil, it is not the same. It differ from place to place. It may be differ in the form of texture, in the form of color, or any other qualities. And soil are mainly derived from the breakup or wear and tear of the parent rock. And even the climate, it is the another factors which play a very important role in the formation of the soil. And the other factors such as relief, running water, wind, etc., they are also contributed to the evolution of the soil. So now we will come to the major type of the soil in India. There are 4 type of soil in India, that is alluvial soil, black soil, red soil and laterite soil. Apart from that, there are 2 major type of soil, that is desert soil and the mountain soil. So now let's have a look at this first type of soil, that is alluvial soil. This alluvial soil are those soil which are deposited by the surface water. That's why we know this alluvial soil as the transported soil. And this alluvial soil, we can find it along the river in the floodplain. Okay. This alluvial soil, it is the best soil which requires the least water because of its high porosity. And this soil, they are formed by the disposition of fine-grained particles called alluvium by river on land. And next is the characteristic of the alluvial soil. As we know that alluvial soil are transported soil, so it doesn't have any relation, or it does not related to the parent rock. This type of soil, it contains adequate potash, phosphoric acid and lime. And this alluvial soil, there are 2 type of soil under it, that is the bangar and the khadar. This bangar are the old alluvium, whereas this khadar are the new alluvium. And this soil, it covers about 40% of the total areas in India. And it also supports a wide variety of crops in India, like wheat, rice, sugarcane, jute, millet and so on and so forth. So now we will come to the second one, that is the black soil. This black soil, it is also called as the cotton soil or rigor soil. And this black soil, it is black in color because due to the presence of this high content of humus and iron oxide. This soil, it is related to the parent rock, whereas this alluvial soil, it is not related to the parent rock, right? And this type of soil, it is used for rice, wheat, sugarcane and cotton, and it is also additionally used to produce this groundnut, millet and oilseed. And the next is the characteristics of the black soil. This black soil, it is rich in soil nutrients such as potassium, calcium and magnesium, minerals, potash, lime, etc. This black soil, when it get mixed with this rainwater, it becomes sticky. And this type of soil, it is suitable for cultivation of cotton, wheat, groundnut, jowar, sugarcane, rice, oilseed, etc. So now we will come to the comparison of alluvial and black soil. This alluvial soil, it is formed from sediment deposited by river, whereas this black soil, it is formed from the weathering of this igneous rock. This alluvial soil, it is rich in potash, whereas black soil is rich in lime, iron, potash, alumina, calcium and magnesium carbonate. This alluvial soil, it is suitable for cultivation of paddy, wheat and sugarcane, whereas this black soil, it is suitable for cultivation of cotton, jowar and millet. So now we will come to the third one, that is the red soil. This type of soil, it is developed in the warm place or in the warm climate with this deciduous or mixed forest. This red soil, it is generally derived from the crystalline rock, okay? And this red soil, it is different from the other type of soil because this red soil, it can hold a large amount of water. And they have developed under the moderate to high rainfall condition in tropical area. And why this red soil is red in color? It is because due to the color that shows different shade of red, brown or yellow. So now we will come to the difference between black and red soil. This black soil are red in color and it is known as rigor soil, whereas this red soil, it is red in color. This black soil, it is good for growing crops, whereas this red soil, it is not. And now we will come to the fourth one, that is the laterite soil. This laterite soil, it is reddish or yellowish in color. That is because due to the presence of hydroxide of iron and aluminium. This laterite soil, it is poor in nitrogen, phosphorus, potash and lime, unlike the others. This type of soil is generally unfit for agriculture, but it is responsive for manuring. And it is also support pasture and scrub forest. So now we will come to the fifth one, that is the desert and the mountain soil. We all know that this desert, we can find it in the place, especially in Rajasthan, right? And here it says that in the high mountain like Himalayas, soil are found in vertical zone. And this mountain soil, they are thin, stony and hot, mature enough. This soil, it includes peak, meadow, forest and hill soil. And whenever irrigation facilities are available in the desert soil, this soil yield good harvest. An example of this is the Indira Gandhi Canal. This Indira Gandhi Canal area is now producing good harvest of wheat, rice, sugarcane, cotton, etc. in the northwest Rajasthan. So now we will come to the soil erosion and conservation. This soil erosion, it is a naturally occurring process that affects all the landform. This soil erosion, it is a natural process in which the topsoil of the field, it is carried away by the physical sources such as wind and water. This soil erosion is about the eroded of the soil which happen naturally, okay? And it is also said that this soil erosion, it is a continuous process that occur either slowly or at an alarming rate. So now let's have a look on this soil conservation, because we have to know what soil erosion is and what soil conservation is. So soil conservation is the prevention of the soil, of the topmost layer of the soil from the erosion, or it is the prevention of reduced fertility causes, which is caused by overusage or acidification, salination, or other chemical soil contamination. So we know that this soil conservation is about the prevention of the soil from getting eroded. And some of the measures of this soil conservation are number one, plantation of trees. That is afforestation or deforestation, which is carried on extensively in the soil erosion area. We know that especially with the increase of population, like most of the forests are being deforested, isn't it? And in order to conserve that place or that forest, we need to plant more trees on it. And here it says that steps should be taken to check the reckless felling of the trees and overgrazing. This check dam and barriers should be also created in order to control the flow of the water, so that the eroded of the soil will be more less. And another one is about the agricultural practice, which should be followed systematically. And the last one here, it says about the shelter belt, which should be created on the margin of the desert area to check the fury of the wind. So I'll stop here for today. We'll be doing in the next class with these water resources. Thank you.